Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are checking out the best automatic smart cat litter box that can make pet care much easier and cleaner. If you want less mess and more comfort for your cat, this one is worth seeing. Let's get started. Today we are talking about the Luniper Neo B automatic smart litter box. This smart litter box is designed for modern cat owners who want a cleaner home without doing daily scooping. The Luniper Neo B automatic smart litter box uses intelligent cleaning and safety technology to keep the litter box fresh while keeping your cat safe and comfortable. One of the most important features of the Luniper Neo B automatic smart cat litter box is the dual safety sensor system. These sensors detect when your cat is inside the box and make sure the cleaning process only starts after your cat leaves. If your cat comes back near the box, the system stops immediately. This makes the litter box very safe and gives owners peace of mind. Another great feature is the ultra-quiet cleaning system. The Luniper Neo B automatic smart cat litter box works very silently, so it will not scare your cat or disturb your home. This is very helpful for nervous or sensitive cats that do not like loud sounds. The litter box is compatible with all clumping cat litter, which means you can use your favorite brand without changing your routine. This flexibility makes the Luniper Neo B automatic cat litter box easy to use and keeps the cleaning process simple and hygienic. A very smart feature of the Luniper Neo B automatic cat litter box is the mobile app connection. With the app, you can track your cat's litter box activity in real time. You can see how often your cat uses the box and notice any unusual changes. This can help you detect health problems early and take better care of your pet. The build quality of the Luniper Neo B automatic smart cat litter box feels strong and modern. The design looks clean and stylish, so it fits nicely in any room. The size is large enough for most cats, while the smooth shape makes it easy to place in a corner without taking too much space. In real-life use, the Luniper Neo B automatic cat litter box saves a lot of time. Instead of cleaning the litter every day, the box handles the dirty work for you. Your home stays cleaner, the smell stays under control, and your cat always has a fresh place to go. This product is perfect for busy cat owners, people who have multiple cats, or anyone who wants a smarter and cleaner way to manage pet care. It is also great for owners who want to monitor their cat's health without extra effort. Want a smarter way to keep your home clean and your cat happy? Check the price link in the description and see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.